Chinky at a party. So open your textbook and read along so that it will be easy for you. If any difficult words if you find, repeat the sentences or the words which are very difficult for you. Join the letters and make a word. Slowly you will get practice about how to read a sentence. So this is the best way. You open my video and go through reading the sentences when I start the lesson in this video. Okay children, now I am going to play the video clip of this lesson, Chinky at a party. So you have to follow the lesson, understand the lesson slowly. It will be very easier for you to follow the lesson. It is a very interesting lesson. So
English.
First lesson of your
1. 1. Chinky at a party. Reading. Chinky is a pet cat. She is at a party. She is going to tell you what she sees there. Hi friends, I'm Chinky. I belong to the Khans. We live in a big and a beautiful house near the lake. Today there is a party in the house. Some guests have come. The house is decorated with balloons. Children are moving here and there happily. I'm sitting on the piano. I'm looking around to see what the guests and my family members are doing. My master's daughter, Farah, is talking to her friend. They want to play. Farah's brother, Shahid, is standing near the door. He is very serious. Why is he serious? I observe carefully. He is thinking about something. Perhaps he is planning to play a trick on someone.
So this is about a party where everyone has gathered in the house. Chinky. Who is Chinky, children? So, cat. Now cat is telling a story about this party, what all happened in their house. So in that family, Mr. and Mrs. Khan are living with their both children. One is Farah and Shahid. So they are giving and arrange the party. Now they are invited all the guests to the party. So everyone is enjoying the party. At that, Farah is talking to their friends. And Shahid, he entered the room and he wanted to some trick, to play the trick on someone. And Chinky has observed what that Shahid is going to do. So what it is, he is having a frog. It's a duplicate one which he wanted to make a trick on, play on someone. Let us see what happens and whom he is going to play a trick.
He is hiding a rubber frog in his back pocket. But it is hanging out of his pocket. Oh, now he is taking the frog out. He walks towards Farah and her friends. He is going there to scare them. Look, he is coming close to Farah. Farah and her friends are busy laughing. They are not looking at Shahid. Shahid is tying the frog to Farah's belt on her back. The frog is hanging on Farah's skirt. I am eager to see what happens next. Shahid taps Farah's shoulder. Farah turns around and oh! Farah's friends are screaming. A frog! A frog! This is funny. They are all running away from Farah in fear. Farah is also scared. She is jumping up and down. Shahid is laughing. Mrs. Khan, Farah's mother, rushes to her daughter. She takes off the frog. It's only rubber, she says. All the guests are laughing and so am I. Mrs. Khan is angry. She is asking Shahid to say sorry to Farah. Farah is laughing. Don't worry, Mom. It's all right. He did it as a joke. Everyone is busy again. They are enjoying themselves.
Okay, children, this is what Shahid did in her house. So he wanted to frighten someone. And what did he bring in his hand? A rubber frog. And he hid it in his pocket. But Chinky has found the frog in his pocket hanging out of it. Slowly Shahid came near Farah who was talking with their friends. He removed the frog and he stuck to her belt so that everyone can observe. Suddenly her friends all started screaming, "Frog, frog, frog!" And Farah was scared, even those friends also. They moved far away and Farah started jumping, "Frog, frog, frog!" So everyone became scared about the frog and they were thinking that it was a real frog, and she started crying. Then Mrs. Khan, she has come. Who is Mrs. Khan? Mother of Farah. She has come near to her and she removed the frog and she saw that it was a rubber one. Then she said, "Don't worry, Farah, it's a rubber frog, not the real one." So everyone started laughing and enjoyed that to make her fool. So everyone started laughing. Even Shahid started laughing. Mrs. Khan scolded laughing for doing this to Shahid. It's a wrong thing, no, making others frightened and laughing on them. Isn't it, children? It's a bad thing. So you should not scare others and laugh on them. It's not a good one. So you should not do that thing, because that people will scare and they'll scream. They may get sometimes hurt also. So you don't do all this because Shahid has done to Farah. Mother has scolded Shahid, but Farah said, "It's okay, Mama. It's all for fun." Then we'll see what happens
what's
in the
going
next.
to happen next? I see a mouse. It is coming out of a hole. It is near Shahid. Wow, what a jump it has made. The mouse is on Shahid. Shahid starts screaming and running around. The mouse is jumping off Shahid. It is going back into the hole. Oh, I have missed a chance to eat a delicious mouse. Never mind. It is fun to watch Shahid scream and jump in fear.
So, see, tit for tat, isn't it? He wanted to scare some other and he wanted to enjoy. But what happened now? Now a small little mouse has come from its hole and it has jumped on Shahid. Suddenly seeing this, Shahid started running here and there and screaming and crying. All of us, everyone watched it. What happened? What happened? By seeing that the rat has frightened again, it had moved out of Shahid and went again into the hole. Then what is this? Why it has happened? Because he also get frightened about small animals. So like this everyone will frighten about, but you should not scare others and laugh. At last he also started screaming and he also got scared of some small animals and started crying, isn't it? So you should not make fun of others and laugh on them. Okay, children, this is the story about Chinky at a party. Now, next, whenever you see the video, take your textbook in front of it and read how the lines are going on so that it will be easier for you to make a clear sentences. If any difficult words, repeat twice and thrice so that you will get practice of it. Okay, children, next I am going to take the exercises. This is a reading comprehension where you have to write true or false in the box. So, Chinky is a little pup. Is the Chinky a little pup? No, it is false. Already given. There are some guests at Mr. Khan's house. Isn't it? Where was the party arranged? Mr. Khan's house. Yes. Shahid and Farah are the guests. Is Shahid and Farah are the guests in the story? No. They are the children of Mr. and Mrs. Khan. So they will become the host. They are not the guest.
I have won.
So, now, fourth one. Shahid is a loving boy. Yes, he is a fun-loving boy. He wanted to fun of everyone.
I have won.
Farah is unhappy with her brother. No, she thought it is a joke. She does not think of that it is a
I have won.
serious thing, isn't it? Chinky had some fun at the party. Who is Chinky here? A cat, isn't it? Now he had fun. He enjoyed making fun of Farah and
I have
also
won.
Shahid. So this is all about the true and false. You write it in the textbook very neatly with the pencil. Okay, we'll go for next.
B. Answer the following questions. 1. Where is Chinky sitting? Answer. Chinky is sitting on the piano. 2. What is Chinky doing at the party? Answer. Chinky is looking around to see what the guests and her family members are doing. 3. What is Farah doing? Answer. Farah is talking to her friend. 4. What trick does Shahid play on Farah? Answer. Shahid tied a rubber frog to Farah's back. The frog hangs on Farah's skirt. Shahid taps Farah's shoulder. Farah turns around. Farah's friends scream. They all run away from Farah in fear. Shahid laughs. Farah's mother rushes to her daughter. She takes off the frog. All the guests laugh. So this is the trick Shahid plays with Farah. 5. Why is Shahid screaming? Answer. Shahid is screaming because a mouse jumps on Shahid. 6. Are people in the party enjoying themselves? Answer. Yes, people are enjoying themselves in the party.
Okay children, this is all about the 6 question and answers. What you do whenever the question and answers are there, you can pause it and write it. Just don't say that they are going very fast. You can pause in your video, slowly write the first question answer, second question answer, and then you can go for the further. No need to make it hurry, isn't it? So what I am doing is write it neatly in the notebook. Start from the first lesson. First you write the lesson name on the top of the red line. Then start with the true or false. Then you start next the answer the following question and answers. This is all about for today. So what you do is, while you are playing the video, you have to pause the video when you are seeing the question and answers, isn't it? Okay children, this is all for today's class. So I am ending up the video.